Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out this badass 1971 Chevy Camaro. This is a fun car.
Sounds like it. Great sounding exhaust system. We just put a new carburetor on it now that it has a choke. I went with the electric choke on it. So many of these cars come in here, no chokes, and in our temperature, it might be fine in Florida, California, but with our temperatures, they're just so tough to run that way. Headers, power steering, just pretty much kind of bone stock original looking, you know, back in the 70s, 80s under the hood. As far as the paint goes, the paint's brand new on it. Really nice orange paint, good trim, bumpers. Love the short spoiler on this one too.
Yeah, I do too. That's always my favorite. That's my favorite versus the big duckbill.
Yep.
I'll give that to you. And
yeah, sure. There really is not a lot to talk about, Dee, with new paint on this one. Door jamb paint and stuff's nice as well. Just a great looking car. Good gap from front to back here on the passenger side of the hood. Does have the 2-inch cowl hood on it. As you look up and down the sides, very straight as well. I think you've probably got some undercarriage photos of this one. Got them up? Mm-hmm. Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Make sure you check those undercarriage photos up. It's got a nice set of Weld wheels on it. I usually change them, but I kind of liked it on this car. And it's got front disc brakes on it as well. Radial TA tires.
Great stance too, that staggered look.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
Back bumper looks nice. I love how the dual exhaust comes out the back as well. Again, that low spoiler on it. Super nice car. The interior on it seems very original. Just nice, clean car. Corner of the door is rust free. Door jamb paint all looks nice as well. I didn't notice this before, but must have had a little seam split. They took a little vinyl patch and put right there. I didn't even notice that until just now. Dash pad is excellent. It's got an AM/FM Chevy radio in it. As we talked about, the inside corner of the door is good. Door jamb's good. Dome light works, and the headliner is super tight in it. It's got the correct GM seat belts front and back. Back seat looks good as well. Carpet, guys, looks original. That's what I'm saying. It's original interior. No one's dyed the carpet. It just got that little wear to it, don't it?
Yep.
Inside the trunk, again, the pictures are on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Trunk floor is super solid. I think the floors are as well. As we go here to the back quarter, very nice. Bottom of the door fits good. Paint's really nice all the way throughout. Z28 emblems. It is a Z28 clone. Does have the steering wheel and the Z28 steering wheel on it as well.
And it also has the factory in-dash tach too, which is kind of neat.
Yeah, tacking gauges are nice, huh? Super solid car. Never had any rust in the doors that I can see. Got a nice look inside and out.
Got carried really good oil pressure.
Horn works. Factory tach works.
Try wipers.
Gas gauge works. Clock is not working. Shows it's charging. Wipers work good. Got new blades on there as well. This is a pretty cool car.
It is.
If you remember, we just had a really nice SS orange with white stripes. Really nice 71 as well. This one's more of the hot rod version of it.
Yeah.
They're both nice, but this one's got the snort, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Radio works good. We'll see here if the temp gauge, factory temp gauge comes up.
They have an aftermarket one.
Yeah, it's got a Sun Pro in here. Great oil pressure. Revs up over 80 pounds. when we get it back to the shop, it's idling about just under 500. It's just little too low. I want to make sure we get that idle turned up a little bit. They got a new carburetor on it, just didn't get it quite dialed in the way I'd like. Guess it's idling fine now, but I'd really have it up a little bit.
A couple hundred more RPM.
Yeah. Nice steering. Nice power steering in it.
It's roasting the tires.
Oh my gosh, this thing is awesome, isn't it?
It is. Reminds me a lot of that black one we had like 3 or 4 years ago. That was kind of had the
man.
same stance and look.
Hey, speedometer works good. Here's our brakes, just like all of them we go through. Brakes work perfect on it.
Damn. This thing is wicked.
Just roast them. Brant has this thing tuned in awesome, doesn't
Yeah, he does. It's fast. And that sound is fantastic too. It's got the perfect sounding exhaust to go with it.
Speedometer shows that we're going fast. I don't know if it needs to be. Yeah. It's quiet in here too. I mean, you hear the exhaust, but wind noise
It's
wise.
not, yeah, wind noise wise, and even with like the exhaust sound, if you're just driving it right now, that's what I said, the exhaust is perfect, where it's not like they cut it off at the axle and it's real loud.
No.
It's just nice, crisp sound.
Here's your brakes. Nice brakes. I think this is manual disc brakes, ain't it? I don't think it's power. I mean, they sound good for the disc, but. Just gonna go through the gears nice and easy once. I think it's got a decent rear end in it. Sounds like a jet engine.
Yeah, it does. What a fun Camaro.
It's a really good one, man. If you want something just super fun to have fun with, fast, good looking, I mean, you can take this to any show and be super proud of it.
Yeah, check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.